Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet.
Drinking a strong cup of chamomile tea is like getting a warm and reassuring embrace from a loved one. About halfway through a cup of chamomile tea, I notice my shoulders relaxing, my breath deepening, and my entire body just unwinding from stress. In other words, move over apples. In today's stress-filled world, a cup of chamomile tea a day could be what keeps the doctor away. For centuries, herbalists have used chamomile to soothe the nervous system of both children and adults. A common saying is that chamomile is indicated for whining children or adults acting like whining children. It can also be taken at night to promote sleep. I found that dosage is key here. The more you use, the more profound the results. Researchers have taken an interest in chamomile and have conducted several human clinical trials to evaluate its ability to address both depression and anxiety. In an exploratory study, researchers found that chamomile, even at a relatively small dose, 220 milligrams, was more effective than a placebo in relieving both depression and anxiety. Another clinical study found that chamomile relieved mild to moderate anxiety in people diagnosed with general anxiety disorder. I prefer chamomile for anxiety and pent-up nervous system energy rather than low or depressive energy. It's a relaxing nervine, meaning it decreases nervous system tension and helps the body to switch to a more parasympathetic nervous system function.
Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.